Hi guys, I'm up above Millville, Pennsylvania. Brought my Mennonite crew up here to move that shed onto that space right there so they can put a roof on it. As you can see, the roofing joists are right there, but they're having trouble getting them moved in there. I guess inch by inch, right?
An interesting project.
Yeah, it's a tight fit in there. Yep. But they're slowly getting it in. There she goes, folks. It's not so bad if you're at a distance. There they go. They're moving that in. They got a skid loader on the back and a skid loader on the front. Okay, I guess the pad is right up there. That's where they need to take it. They're trying to get that straightened out so they can take it right over there and set it on that pad right there. We'll see how it goes. Because I like to, like I said, I like to read and write. And I do meditation too, so. There she goes. They're moving it back. There she goes, folks. The man standing alongside of me here, that's going to be his workshop, your studio. Okay. Okay.
What they call naturalist.
Okay. That's funny. I had a dream the other night. I woke up and I dreamed that I was doing an impressionist piece of art, and I never even heard. Well, I heard of the word when I was younger, but I had forgotten it. But yeah, there were a couple phrases. Okay, that's it, folks. I'll be dropping my buddies off here. They're going to put that roof on. It's laying right there. And I'll be coming back later this afternoon. So you all have a great day. Talk to y'all later. Hi guys. I know this truck is kind of loud, so I'll probably have to talk loud so you can hear me over the engine. It's actually a straight pipe, that's why it's so loud. I'm going up a dirt road outside of Millville, kind of northwest of Millville. I'm going to turn here at this old schoolhouse, and I'm going to a job site that the Mennonite boys that I brought up here are working on right now. They're putting up a storage shed that's going to be used. It's actually going to be used as a studio for an artist who is retired from the military and is now pursuing his passion, which is art. And he has the Mennonite boys constructing this studio for him. And in a few minutes we'll see how they're doing. They had quite a task yesterday in moving it in there because it's quite large, and it was kind of a tight spot where they had to put it on the pad. They had to squeeze it between some trees, and they had two skid loaders, one in the front and one in the back. So this is the place right here, and over there is the shed. try to keep my head still, but sometimes it's hard. This is an old property that this man purchased, and he apparently plans to fix it up, and he has his art studio there now. So I got to get up in there, hitch up that trailer, and hopefully get out of here before the ice and sleet start this afternoon. I don't really want to be up here in this hill country if it starts to have freezing rain and sleet. So hopefully we can get these boys going, get them moving. Oh, I think I'll back up to that trailer. As best I can. See, when you're backing up, you have to have a center line, a center point, and I'm using that lid that's flipped up, and I'm holding that right in the center of that middle window panel there, and see if we can get it close to where it needs to be. Probably pretty close right there. All right, let's see how they're doing. Let's see how the boys are doing. They're probably having their lunch. Oh, I got a ways to go yet. I've got a good yard, good 3 feet. Yeah, they took their tool belts off.
We're in there, Bob.
Having your lunch?
Yep.
That's what I thought. Is coming along okay?
Yeah, about another hour. Moving on.
About another hour? Okay, alrighty. I wish they'd hurry up. I don't think they're as concerned about the sleet and freezing rain as I am. Okay. See if I can get that back closer. Alright. I'll talk to all you guys later. This is Glenn. Okay guys, this is part 2 of the studio. This was the shed that we brought in yesterday. I had a video of that, which is linked to this video. And these Mennonite boys are just finishing up.
That's a lie.
And we're here at this property that was purchased by a retired veteran. And he wants to fix up the barn and the house and have this. He's got about 70 acres here, he said, and he wants to have this as his art studio. I know one thing, I'd love to have a cottage right up there in that pine forest. Just a small cottage where I could come and when I want to get away from it all. That would be great. I'll have to talk to this guy. His name's Bill. Okay, in the meantime, the boys are finishing up that lean-to, putting some roofing over that and putting some trim on it. Okay, as you can see, what they do is put down some insulation over the boards, and then on top of the insulation they lay the strips of roofing material and screw it fast, and then they add whatever trim they need to add, and they call it a day. Okay, there it is, folks. Bill's Art Studio. Okay, talk to y'all later.